In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra blank space on your Wix website. Extra blank space on a Wix page usually happens when a section, strip, or even the footer has been stretched taller than it needs to be. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. I will walk you through a couple of simple ways to clean up that space so your website looks more polished and professional. First, take a close look at the area where the extra space appears. In many cases, the section itself is simply too tall. To fix that, click on the blank or oversized section so it becomes highlighted. Once it's selected, move your mouse toward the bottom edge of that section. When you see the double-sided arrow icon appear, click and drag upward. This reduces the height of the section and removes the unnecessary space. As you do this, go slowly and watch how the content fits inside the area. You want the section to be tall enough to hold your text, images, or buttons comfortably, but not so tall that it leaves a large empty gap underneath. This drag method is often the quickest fix, especially if the extra space is clearly visible. If you want a more precise adjustment, you can use the built-in toolbar. Click on the section you want to fix, then go to the top right and select Tools. After that, click Show Toolbar from there. You will be able to manually enter a specific pixel height for the section. This is helpful when you want everything to line up neatly or when dragging by hand feels a little imprecise. Setting the height manually can help you get a cleaner, more exact result. Another common cause of blank space is a hidden empty section or strip. Sometimes, here is an invisible area sitting on the page that doesn't contain any content, but it still takes up room. If that's the case, click directly on the empty space until that hidden section or strip becomes highlighted. Once you've selected it, press the Delete key or the Backspace key on your keyboard. You can also right-click the area and choose Delete. After removing or resizing the section, it's a good idea to quickly scan the rest of the page to make sure the layout still looks balanced. Small spacing issues can be easy to miss while editing, so taking a final look can save time later. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.